Look, Beckett, watch this. My finger, and it just comes right off. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so he definitely does something like this, and then this, and then this. Like
No,
that.
but I can just do it in slow-mo for you.
Oh yeah, do it in slow.
What? Not like that.
Oh.
This is regular mode. I got regular mode, I got slow-mo, super slow-mo. How do I do it? I don't know. They watched a magic show last night, and they're floored by how you can do this.
Yeah, you can do it. How come? Wait.
It's just like that. It's so easy, like that.
Can you show us one with your finger on?
With the finger, I don't understand.
Like the part where you put where the finger is on the hole.
What do you want to do today?
I don't know.
You want to go to the National Lakeshore? You want to see a waterfall? And we're gonna drive Highway 58? And what else are we gonna do? Have lunch?
Have 2 heads.
No, we're gonna have lunch.
Lunch.
And we're gonna have some tickles. And then what are we gonna do?
And then we're gonna go to a park.
We're gonna go to a park? We might go to a park. What does it say?
11 to 6 every day.
Pasties. This is the place that Jess from the Snow Dogs told us. No, it's not?
This is the place that the lavender farm lady told us is the
Lavender.
best pasties in the UP.
So we're gonna have to go test them out at 11.
11 to 6. Well, we won't be here at 11. 30 minutes.
Maybe we'll do it tomorrow,
Yeah.
since we already have our lunch.
No, let's do it right now.
They're closed. Let's go check it out. We're looking for Junior Ranger books. We're looking for a sticker. And we're looking for our passport stamp. Need our passport stamp. Oh,
We have to show you our pass.
we have a pass.
You're good. Just leave that displayed on the dashboard of the vehicle.
Okay, cool.
Okay, and do you have Junior Ranger books here?
I do.
Oh look, passport stamp right here.
Bam.
Thank you.
All right. And can we turn them in here for a badge, or you have to do them at
Yes,
a...
you can turn them in here.
Who wants to do the stamp?
Me.
Boom. Perfect. First waterfall of the day, Munising. How many waterfalls are we gonna see today?
4.
4. I am strong. You can do it. Whoa. Where does it go?
No way.
No way, it's a dead end.
Well, this is
At least you can take a picture.
Take a picture. I hear a waterfall. Whoa! Is that so neat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
That way I can show you what that was online.
I know. Doing my long exposure trick. Take your photo, go to it, swipe up, long exposure. 1, 2, 3, fake laugh. That's where we want to go next. That is going to be an awesome view of the falls. You just got to figure out how to get down there. You can figure it out? All right, let's do it. We think the lookout is this way. That is pretty. Is this so cool, Beckett?
I'm going down.
You're going down?
Yes.
Gotta draw the waterfall.
That's my picture of the waterfall.
I like it.
Ain't-
It's fancy. Alrighty, this was the first waterfall. Krista said we're going to 4, so let's go to the next one. You cannot get my butt. You're trying, but you can't do it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nope, not happening. Hey, look, you made it.
But
You made it.
I got it.
You got my butt. So we're now at Sand Point. There's a maritime exhibit, which I'm assuming is in that. Yeah, let's just walk it. This is the headquarters, and I believe this is like Sand Point, where the beach is and everything. My butt's way over here, and you can't get it. You can't get it. You can't do it. You can't do it. Whoop. I got your butt. I got your butt. Look, we made it to some sand. Whoa. It's like it came out of nowhere.
Let's go up, down, there.
Okay. Whoa. See how cold the water is? Yep, that's cold. What?
Oh, cool. It'll be nice on Tuesday.
Yeah, hopefully.
It's nice right now.
Oh my god.
God, it's like, oh man, it's like ice.
Look at this.
Kind of acid? Tannins, yeah. Tannic acid makes it different color. Look how clear this water is. It's amazing. But now you're all wet.
Yes?
Are you? You got everything wet. So funny, you're so funny. Alrighty guys, we're down at Miners Falls now, and there's also a beach nearby that we want to go to as well, hopefully. So we're gonna go on down this little trail here. You ready?
Wait, what?
Huh?
What?
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 Huh?
What?
I don't know.
That came to the finger trick.
Oh, finger trick, boom. Miners Falls, let's go enjoy the waterfall.
Yummy, no.
Don't lose your finger on a waterfall. All right, Beckett, you ready?
You have to.
All right, let's go. Gotcha. Here we go.
I'm holding my hand.
You got him?
Yo, he's heavy.
I know.
Oh,
I hear a waterfall. Whoa. Wow. This is the upper section. There's some steps you can go down to get a better view. Go check it out. Here we go. How's the view from down there? I'm talking to brother and sister and they can't hear me. Looks like there's a trail all the way down there somehow to get to. But the mosquitoes are so bad. There's so many. Get them. You get them? Ah, it's so beautiful. I think this is a prettier waterfall than the previous one. This is Miners Waterfall. Number 2. Checked off. First one to the van wins. Who's gonna make it? Who made it? First one to get buckled up wins. Oh man, y'all both beat me. All right, we made it to the Pictured Rocks cliffs now. You ready to go see the cliffs?
Wait, what? We're going to a beach?
Yeah, but we stopped at the cliffs. Beach is next. Cool. This is the lower overlook. I know the lower overlook is that one. This must be the upper one. Here comes the rain. Doo, 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 doo. Yep. And you found a fence. Yay. Did you have a good hike?
Yeah.
All right. What'd you see?
Tree.
Trees. Oh yeah, that is pretty.
This is literally what we're gonna go see.
Still trying to get out of the boat tour?
Yep.
That is pretty. They're waving to us. On our way back to it. I think that second one was actually another upper lookout because there's a lower overlook that you can go through that way. See anything? Oh yeah.
I'm trying to do something.
Wow, look at that. And there's all the cliffs.
Oh, I think I'm getting caught.
So this is considered Miner's Castle, and you are not allowed to climb on that. I was wrong. This is Miner's Castle. Is that cool? Neat looking rock. Yep, that is a long way down.
Count how long it took. That's how we measure the distance.
So this right here is Miner's Rock. I thought it was that thing over there. It's definitely not it. So, pretty cool. You're definitely not allowed to go out there. So this right here is the lower viewing area. What's really nice is that they have these little windows so little kids can actually look throughout there. And I guess dogs too. So that they can actually see some of the structures and all the different things that there are to see. There's my Beckett. What you doing?
There's a ranger over there talking about bears.
Ah.
What bear is he?
Oh, okay. I did not know that.
I saw these
That's pretty
over
crazy.
there.
So I'm honestly contemplating not doing the boat tour because it is.
I mean, like, you can see everything.
Yeah. I mean,
If we did a couple of days like driving tours,
right.
save us $124. And some seasickness for mom. You know how much ice cream we can buy with $124? And pasties and bugs?
So we stopped and talked to the ranger, and she said that this outlook right here, the Miners, what's it called? Miners Castle, is one of the best places to see pictured rocks, like the line of rocks. So definitely if you're planning on coming here and you want to go by foot, stop at this lookout point. Go, Beckett, go! Chugga, 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 chugga. Beckett! It's the Beckett train. You're not a train? I think you're a train. You ready to get to the beach, Beckett?
Yeah.
Yeah. So another way to see pictured rocks, if you don't want to do the cruise, is to come out here and you can get a kayak. The guide will take you and they go all the way over to that whole area over there. Need to find out how much that is. Would you want to do that?
I don't think Beckett can. He's probably too young.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you want to go walk?
Yeah.
Let's go. This looks good. Y'all want to do it right here? Okay. All right. I'm going to eat. Lunchtime. I'm still walking along the beach. And I see some people over there on that rock. This is pictured rocks. There's a little waterfall over there. Let's see if we can make it to the waterfall before we have to go. It's beautiful out here. Look at that. That is pretty. It's like a waterfall that goes right into the lake. That is so cool. Wow. It's cold. It's nap time. All right, y'all, we took some good naps and Krista woke up hungry. So I'm headed out to Muldoon's, which is the place that the lady at the lavender farm told us has the best pasties. So we're gonna go get a couple of those and see what they taste like. We also took Jacques to the dollar store to get a deck of cards because he's really interested in magic tricks, and that costs like $1.33. So let's go see how much pasties are gonna cost. This is the place. And found this little alleyway with a whole bunch of artwork on it. This is like a thing in Michigan. We saw this in Traverse City. There's some on that side too. This is called Art in the Alley. Like this, got like a camera guy, and it's got like a little artist guy. It's super cool. Click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us.